Welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you an exciting update from the world of agriculture and rural innovation at the 2026 Suzuki Mini Tractor Dharohar. Designed especially for small-scale farmers and landowners in India, this new-age mini tractor combines tradition with cutting-edge technology, living up to its name Dharohar, which means heritage. The 2026 Suzuki Dharohar is a compact yet powerful machine built to meet the growing demands of modern farming in limited spaces. With a fuel-efficient 15-horsepower engine and hybrid assist technology, it promises optimal performance with reduced emissions and lower running costs. Whether it's plowing, tilling, hauling, or spraying, the Dharohar handles all tasks with ease, making it ideal for farms under 5 acres, orchards, vineyards, and hilly terrains. Its lightweight structure and 4WD capability ensure minimal soil compaction and excellent maneuverability. The advanced gearbox with multi-speed PTO allows attachment of various implements, from rotavators and seeders to water pumps. The tractor comes with an ergonomic seat, digital instrument panel, LED headlamps, and mobile charging ports, features rarely seen in this category. The 2026 model also introduces Suzuki Smart Link, a Bluetooth-enabled system that connects the tractor with a mobile app. Farmers can now monitor fuel levels, maintenance schedules, and even get live weather updates directly from their smartphones. This feature is a game-changer for tech-savvy young farmers looking to improve productivity and reduce downtime. With its strong build quality, user-friendly controls, and low maintenance, the Dharohar is not just a tool but a partner for the modern farmer. Priced affordably and backed by Suzuki's wide service network, it ensures peace of mind and long-term reliability. It also qualifies for government subsidies under various rural development schemes, making it even more accessible to small farmers. In essence, the 2026 Suzuki Mini Tractor Dharohar is a symbol of India's agricultural evolution, bridging heritage and modernity. It empowers farmers with smart, sustainable, and efficient solutions to boost productivity and profitability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on agricultural innovations and rural tech. Stay tuned and stay connected with the future of farming.